short video. We are going to show you some of the things we do behind the scene in order to make our lessons. Uh, so these are some of the files. It's just a, a Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop file. This showing an organism, which is Hydra. We prepare this lesson by by drawing all the necessary pictures ourselves, so that you people will have the uh, pictures drawn from us, and these pictures are okay. Let us call them uh, our own pictures. We use these pictures because we don't want to use others people uh, content. We always use our own content, like videos, the uh, the pictures, and all the animation. So this is simply a system which comprises kidney, urethra, and bladder. Yes, this is what is called, or this system is called excretory system, where we have kidneys, which they filters blood, and these these kidneys, they remove harmful, or they remove toxic substance in the body. So this is part of what we draw. So we draw pictures for you people to see. And this onion bulb, maybe you cannot see it clearly here, but this is onion bulb. This onion, like onion. So these onions, um, yeah. So this onion bulb. Onion bulb is there for biology lesson. Yes, this is biology lesson uh, pictures. So this Hydra. The good thing is, we need to create very good pictures for you people to uh, be able to understand the pictures that are there, and how we uh, how we create them. So we use some applications. We use a lot of applications like Photoshop. We use Photoshop. Uh, we use uh, Adobe. So this is just for Photoshop, where we create the image. This, as we see, this is urinary bladder. Okay, this is urinary bladder. This one here is urinary bladder. So for you to create content, scientific content, you need a lot of things. So this urinary bladder. This is kidneys, or these are kidneys. This is called ureters. Let me write them here. And it's just now that I finish uh, drawing this image. So this one is kidney. This is kidney, and these two. This one is ureter. Oh, sorry, ureter. This one is ureter. Then this one is bladder. Bladder. This one is urethra. Urethra. So these are the uh, organs that uh, make up excretory system. When we say excretory system, we only means bladder. We means first is kidney. We have kidney. We have ureter. We have or ureters because there are two, left and right, and bladder, which is the storage side of urine. Kidneys filters blood. We have vessels here. We have renal artery, feeds the kidney, and renal vein drain the kidneys. And these kidneys now, they filter the blood that get in. They filters it, and after they filter the blood, they now uh, make the they make the uh, urine, and this urine will follow this ureter to be stored in bladder. After the urine is stored in the bladder, then uh, after a reasonable volume, then uh, the person will feel the urge to urinate. After urinating, then uh, the urine go out. The whole process is called excretion, which is a system on its own, which is urinary system. Yeah, I can see some comment here. Sanusi Musa said hi. Sanusi Musa again said thank you for your effort. May God increase your intelligence. Thank you very much, Sanusi Musa. Really appreciate uh, your prayers. Thank you. And also Ibrahim said hi. So hi, Ibrahim. So this is the application that we use to make all these pictures. This application is called Photoshop. And as I said, this is Hydra. And Hydra is an organism uh, that is very uh, tiny organism. It is microscopic, even single cell, but it's not readily seen with naked eyes. You need to observe very carefully. So this is the body. This is yes. This is tentacle. These things are called tentacles. Tentacles, and this is the body. And this one is bud. It's called bud. Is a way that this uh, organism reproduce. The process is called budding. So budding is a process where Hydra and similar organisms reproduce by just this thing will just bulge out and grow into a new organism. So these are the yes. We have other organs here. Let me open another organ. This is heart. Let's see. Yes, this heart we drew. So this is heart. As you can see, this is heart that we have here. That's why uh, we are so excited that we are making our own pictures so that you people will have customized pictures and also illustrations, and we'll find a way to make all these pictures or to animate all these pictures because you people we want you to learn and understand the actual concept of all the subject we are offering to you. So that's why we are putting effort, even though it's not easy, but we have to do it. It's not easy to draw all this because Yes, a lot of people can just browse and see one or two pictures of all these things, but if you draw it yourself, you will have all the right, all the uh, all the control. So that make it uh, that makes it very very uh, handy for us to be doing all these things. So this picture of a heart. Again, if I'm to explain this, I have a heart is divided into four parts, as we know. The parts are ventricles. We have two of them, and we have uh, uh, ventricle and atriums. Atria. We have two atrium. We have left and right. Left atrium and right atrium. Then we have ventricles. So ventricles are the one below, while atria they are above. We have left and right. So these are the vessels connecting. Uh, as you know, heart is a heart, uh, yeah. Sorry, welcome back. I can see some questions here. Where are you from? What class is this supposed to be for? Okay, this is just for all what we do is just secondary schools. We are doing and we are making our content universal. We are teaching secondary school students, but the kind of information we are giving uh, can be used for others. We have separate classes for. Uh, we have separate lessons that are designed for a secondary school student, but we do some that are yeah more of uh, others like those that are in, let's say, 100 level in universities or polytechnics. But basically, we are doing it for secondary school class. Yes. So this hard, and let's take a look at the different part of this heart. As I said, we have a heart has two different uh, parts, which are uh, two below, one and two above atrium and ventricles. Two atria and two ventricles. Ventricles are below, and they are the walls of ventricles. It's just chambers. Biologists call them chambers, or generally they are called chambers. Hard as this, just like apple. Let's say this is yeah. Okay. Yes, people draw hard as this. Yes. So conventionally, heart is just drawn like this. This is a pipe. Let me. This is where in, and this is where blood can go out, and this is another way of going of taking blood out, and this is entry. So this one is where the blood will come in, and the blood that is coming in through this is deoxygenated blood. So this blood will come and enter here and enter this chamber here is called uh, atrium. And when blood enters here, it will be pumped by a ventricle through this vessel. This vessel the blood to lungs for oxygenation. After the blood is oxygenated, it will come back to through this path or through uh, this way, through this pipe. So oxygenated blood will come here and it will push into this ventricle. This is called ventricle. And now the blood will be pumped through this pipe, which is called aorta. This aorta is for the blood will go throughout the body, which is systemic circulation, where all the tissues of the body will get blood from. So that's just the uh, heart. So, but this very complex form of heart, but still understandable because conventionally in secondary school students we are just using this form, uh, the uh, the conventional diagram where I will just show entry and exit. But for example, when you look at a real heart or the heart of animals, you see it similar to this. That's why we brought this in order to help you know that heart is not only about the functional diagram we see. The next thing is the yeah, that we have a lot of things that if people can see, but for this, I think we should stop here. Yeah, this is another application that we use to make our videos. This application is called Blender. Blender is very advanced application that creators or artists use to create uh, content. Very advanced application. So this application we don't use it uh, because of uh, the need. It requires very high performing computer for it to be fully functioning. So because of that, we don't use it until and there's no another option. But we use this Photoshop to create simple images. We use Adobe to create simple images, and because this Photoshop is application that is based on uh, uh, as the name suggests, photo is based on the it runs based on pixels instead of vector. But in case of Adobe and CorelDRAW, they are vector-based applications. So we use them in uh, order to create vector related content. So that's just what we have for you here, and hope you understand the problem with creating content and also the stress associated with content creation. And if people will appreciate the effort we always put to create videos, as always, please like lessons because that's part of, or that's another part that will keep encouraging us, and also uh, comment if you have any question about our lessons, and also share our lesson to others. Maybe there are many other people that are looking for similar content. And you can also support this channel by joining to become a member of this channel, Mining Science School. We will, if uh, you become a member of this channel. Thank you very much, and I'm going to stop here. See you in our next coming lessons. Thank you.